Okay. Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Here in this video we are going to discuss about conic section related previous JEE mains questions and EAPCET. It will be useful for not only EAPCET and JEE mains but also other competitive exams like NDA, BITSAT, KSET. It will be useful dear students. Let us have a discussion the questions here. Yeah, the question is, the first question, if 3x plus 4y equal to 12 root 2 is a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by 9 equal to 1, for some a belongs to R, then the distance between the foci of the ellipse is. See how to do this type of problems. See here, first the given line 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 root 2. This equation make them into the form of y is equal to mx plus c. See, in this case, 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 12 root 2. Dividing by 4, it will be minus 3 by 4 into x. Plus dividing by 4 means it will be 3 root 2. Is it right? So y is equal to mx plus c. So here this is called m, this is called c. Whenever y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, then the condition c square equal to a square n square plus b square. Am I right? So what is the equation of ellipse here? X square by a square plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So a square is a square itself, b square is equal to 9. So in this b square equal to 9, a square equal to a square itself. So c square means 3 root 2 whole square. A square is as it is. M square means minus 3 by 4 whole square. Plus b square means 9 dear students. 3 root 2 whole square. So 9 into 2, 18 equal to a square into 9 by 16 plus 9. 9 bring this side. 9 equal to 9a square divided by 16. That implies that a square equal to 16. So both sides 9 get cancelled dear students. So a square value we got it as b square, we know that, a square also we know that. So eccentricity calculated. What is the use of calculating eccentricity? Distance between foci they are asking to find. So eccentricity, when here b square is 9, a square equal to 16, a is greater than b case. So a square minus b square by a square. So root over 16 minus 9 divided by 16. So root 7 by 16, root 7 divided by 4. This is about eccentricity. So a value from this, a is equal to 4 now. Distance between foci, formula. Distance between foci. S dash, that is equal to 2AE. So 2 into a value 4, e value root 7 divided by 4. 4 get cancelled, which is equal to 2 root 7. It is there in the second option, dear students. Hope you understand. We'll move on to other question. Now, if it is completed, we'll move to next question. So, only thing is you need to remember the formula and read twice or thrice the question. First you have to analyze the question. Based on that, draw the rough figure and get it an idea to solve the question in JMNs. Absolutely, this is also related to circles question. So mixed questions of conic section here. I already mentioned that, dear students. Let the tangents drawn from the origin to the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 16 equal to 0, touch it at the points A and B respectively, then the value of AB square equal to, so here options are provided, 63 by 5, 64 by 5, 66 by 5 and 67 by 5. Here 2-3 methods are there, dear students, for solving this problem, but I will give one shortcut formula to do this problem. Why? Because in most of the areas we cannot use shortcut formulas, but based on the situation we can understand the concept as well. Tangents drawn from the origin to the circle. So circle first you have to draw that. This is the circle, x square plus y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 16 equal to 0. Center 4 comma 2, am I right? Minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. Radius r equal to root of, this is minus g minus f, g square plus f square. 16 plus 4 minus c minus 16. So root 4 means 2, r value also we got it. Next, this is the origin I am taking. Tangents are drawn from the origin to the circle and which touches the circle at the points A and B respectively, according to the question. This is the center of the circle, dear students, and join like this, and they are asking to find AB square. Here, from origin to A, it is absolutely length of tangent. Even OB is also length of tangent, dear students. And AC or BC, this is equal to radius. Here, we have the shortcut formula to calculate the length of chord. The length of chord AB is equal to 2r into root S11 divided by root over S11 plus r square. This is the formula to calculate shortcut formula, dear students. Keep in mind and practice this question, this type of question. Whenever they are asking to find the length of chord AB, tangents drawn from the tangents from any point, not only origin. To calculate this one, we need to calculate radius and S11. So this is S now. So S11, at what point they are asking to find origin? 0, 0, x1, y1. So x1 square plus y1 square minus 8x1 minus 4y1 plus 16 at the point 0, 0. Wherever x1, y1 is there, replace with 0, 0. What happens? It comes 16. Okay. Now, r value we got it now already. Just substitute in this formula and get it answer. Therefore, length of chord AB is equal to 2 into r value 2 root 16 divided by root over S11. What is S11 here? S11 we got it as 16 plus R square. 2 square is 4. So 4 into root 16 value. What is root 16 for? Okay, dear students. Divided by after that 4 into root 4 divided by root 20. So which is equal to 16 divided by root 20. AB is equal to 16 divided by 20 can be written as 4 times of 5 under root. So 16 divided by 4 bring outside of the root, it will become as 2 root 5. Okay. So AB is equal to 2 ones, 2 8s. So AB is equal to 8 by root 5 base students. But they are asking to find AB square now. So squaring on both sides, you get AB square is equal to 64 divided by 5. Therefore, this is about length of chord. This is our required answer, dear students. This length is equal to 64 by 5 units, which is there in the second option. We'll move on to another set of questions. After a long time, I came to the live session. From now onwards, maximum I'll try my best for JMains students. Not only for that, but also other competitive exams like JMains, EAPCET, EAPCET will come and discuss here. I'm expecting more cooperation from your side. This is absolutely a good question. The coming question, previous JMains question. Let the line y is equal to mx and the ellipse two x square plus y square equal to 1 intersect at a point P in the first quadrant. If the normal to this ellipse, at point P meets the coordinate axis, simply meets the axis I'm writing at minus 1 by 3 root 2 comma 0 and 0 comma beta, then beta is equal to, so options are provided, 2 by root 3, 2 root 2 by 3, 2 by 3, root 2 by 3. So we will see, dear students, how we are going to perform about this. Those who are watching, please share to your friends and relatives about our channel. Let the line y is equal to mx and the ellipse intersecting at a point P. So what is the point in the first quadrant? Okay, in the first quadrant. If the normal to the ellipse at P meets the axis, see rough figure, just a little bit idea. Ellipse figure, this is the first quadrant. Y is equal to mx means the line which is passing to the origin. This is the y is equal to mx line, and this is the ellipse. X square by 1 by 2 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. A square equal to 1 by 2, a equal to 1 by root 2, b square equal to 1, b is equal to 1. Clearly, we got this, dear students. But according to that, if we observe, it is not exactly this figure, it will be a less than b case. Whatever the case may be, the figure if you analyze, based on that, the figure comes like this, not this previous one. This is y is equal to mx line. It meets the ellipse at the point P. X square by 1 by 2 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. A square equal to 1 by 2, that implies a equal to 1 by root 2. B square equal to 1, that implies b equal to 1. Clearly, a is less than b case. Okay? At this point, the normal, if the normal to the ellipse at the point P meets the axis at this point, what is the equation of here P of theta I'm taking. Whenever this is the tangent equation, this is the normal. This is the normal equation. It meets at these 2 points. This point is 0 comma beta. This point is minus 1 by 3 root 2 comma 0, dear students. This is P, this is Q, you take it. You already P I kept now. So, other one R and S. You take it like this, dear students. Okay. What is the normal equation? The normal equation at P of theta to the ellipse is ax by cos theta minus by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. According to this, a square value, b square value, no. So, a is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 x by cos theta minus b value 1. So, y by sin theta is equal to a square. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Equation 1 I am taking. Equation 1 means, this is the normal equation, means y-axis at S, then x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 happens, what comes? Y is equal to sin theta by 2 will come, these students. Next, equation 1 means x-axis at R, then y is equal to 0, that implies x by root 2 cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, that implies x is equal to minus root 2 by 2 cos theta, minus root 2 cos theta by 2. So this point, so 2 points I am writing. On y-axis, S point is 0 comma sin theta by 2, okay? And R point is minus here, root 2 times cancel now. So minus cos theta by root 2 comma 0, y value 0 distance. This value is given as 0 comma beta. This value is given as minus 1 by 3 root 2 comma 0. So comparing like terms, so from this data, sin theta by 2 is equal to beta, that implies, so beta value we got it there, but unknown value is there, no? So that we can find from here. And minus cos theta by root 2 is equal to minus 3 by root 2. So both minus will be cancelled, root 2 also can cancel. Cos theta equal to 1 by 3, am I right? So from this, adjacent side hypotenuse. So what about this one here? X, you can take x square plus 1 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 8. X square is equal to 8, x is equal to 2 root 2. Okay. So sine theta value, so from this sine theta is equal to, this is 2 root 2, 2 root 2 by 3. So therefore, sine theta value, this value substitute in this you will get beta value. They are asking beta now. So beta equal to 1 by 2 sine theta. Sine theta is 2 root 2 divided by 3. 2 get cancelled. Beta equal to root 2 by 3. So root 2 by 3 is there in the fourth option, dear students. I hope you understand. According to the question, you can. Yeah. Can I move to next one? Yeah, good question. The coming question is related to parabola. The locus of a point which divides the line segment join the point 0 comma minus 1 and a point on the parabola and a point on the parabola x square equal to 4y. This is upward parabola, dear students. Internally in the ratio 1:2 is, so options are provided. 9x square minus 8 equal to 12y. 9x square plus 8 equal to 12y. 9x square equal to 8y. 9x square plus 12y is equal to 8. So these are the options, dear students. Yeah, those who are watching, please you can share to your friends. First, you have to understand the question and try to draw the rough figure according to the question. See, x square is equal to 4y. That means the figure will come like this, dear students. This is the upward parabola, symmetric about y-axis. X square is equal to 4y. We know that general point, parametric point on x square equal to 4ay. The point is of the form 280 comma 80 square. No. Point on y square is equal, x square is equal to 4ay. So according to this, 4a is equal to 4, a is equal to 1 now. So what the point comes in is 2t comma t square. So I am taking here point 2t comma t square on this point. The locus of a point which divides the line segment joining the point 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1, where it will be negative axis. So 0 comma minus 1 will be here. 0 comma minus 1. So the line joining the points 0 comma minus 1 and the point on the point on the parabola. This is the only point on the parabola. So these 2 points, this line and this one. Okay, dear students. Here, one point I am taking on the locus. This point I am taking as Q of H comma K. This point divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. Here 1, here 2. Okay. So roughly we have to draw this figure in this. This is 0 comma minus 1, x1, y1, 1, 2. This point is h comma k, q of. This is n, this is m. This point is 2t comma t square, x2, y2. You know that the point q divides, this point is p, this point is r. You take it, dear students. Q divides RP in the ratio 1:2 internally. So we know the formula for mx2 plus nx1. Directly I'm writing h comma k equal to mx2. So 1 into 2t plus 2 into 0 by 1 plus 2, 3. Next my2, 1 into t square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2, 3. So h comma k is equal to 2t by 3 comma t square minus 2 by 3, equating x coordinates, equating y coordinates. So what comes here? H is equal to 2t by 3 and k is equal to t square minus 2 by 3. Cross multiply 3k equal to t square minus 2. Minus 2 also bring this side. 3k plus 2 equal to t square. Where it comes t value? From here only. 3h by 2 is equal to t. This t value substitute in this. So therefore 3k plus 2 is equal to t square means 3h by 2 whole square. That implies that 3k plus 2 is equal to 9h square divided by 4. Cross multiply. So 12k plus 8 equal to 9h square. They are asking to find locus of point. Now wherever h comma k is, they replace with locus of h comma k is. So wherever h is there x, k is there y. Therefore 9x square is equal to 8 plus 12k. Sorry, 12y. So therefore the required locus is 9x square plus equal to, so 9x square. So this minus 8 value will bring this side. Indirectly it is given to students. So 8 bring this side according to the question. 9x square minus 8 equal to 12y. This is the final answer. Only thing is, dear students, you need to put focus. First, read the question thoroughly and analyze the question thoroughly. Based on that rough idea of the diagram, if you draw, you will succeed in solving the problem. I may explain one more question. If E1 comma E2 are the eccentricities eccentricities of the ellipse x squared by 18 plus y squared by 4 equal to 1, and the hyperbola x squared by 9 minus y squared by 4 equal to 1 respectively, and E1 comma E2 is a point lies on the ellipse 15x square plus 3y square equal to k, then k equal to, so options are provided 8, 16, 24, 4. Just this is a simple question, dear students. E1 is eccentricity of ellipse, E2 is the eccentricity of hyperbola. After getting the eccentricities, make a point, E1, E2 is a point which lies on another ellipse. So wherever x comma y is there, E1 comma E2 replace. So first, the given equation of ellipse x squared by 18 plus y squared by 4 equal to 1. Clearly, a is greater than b case. For this eccentricity, E1 equal to root of a square minus b square by a square. So this is a square, dear students, this is b square. So root over 18 minus 4 divided by 18. So root 14 by 18. So root 2 sevens, 2 nines, which is equal to root 7 by 3. E1 value, we got it. Similarly, x squared by 9 minus y squared by 4 equal to 1. This is a square, this is b square. Even in this a is greater than b is less than b, it is not a. But here the thing is hyperbola. It is not a conjugate hyperbola. So for this eccentricity is E2 root over a square plus b square by a square. So root over 9 plus 4 divided by 9, which is equal to root 13 by 9, which is equal to root 13 divided by 3. So we got E1 and E2 values. Therefore, E1 comma E2 is equal to root 7 by 3 comma root 13 by 3. This point lies on what ellipse is given? This ellipse. 15x squared plus 3y square is equal to k. Wherever x comma y is there, replace with this value. So that means this is E1 value, this is E2 value. That implies that, otherwise here I will write it this. 15 E1 square plus 3 E2 square is equal to k. So 15 into root 7 by 3 whole square plus 3 into root 13 by 3 whole square is equal to k. 15 into 7 by 9 plus 3 into 13 divided by 9 is equal to k. So 105 divided by 9 plus 39 divided by 9 is equal to k. So if you add these, 144 divided by 9 is equal to k. So 16 is equal to k. So 16 minus 144. So k value is 16. Okay, dear students, I hope everyone understand. For today's class till here, tomorrow also I will continue with that same type of questions from Conic section video 2. Tomorrow also maximum I try my best by same time. After that, JMA's previous questions, combined questions of circles, parabola, ellipse, I will discuss with you. It will help for those who are preparing, those who are preparing for all competitive exams which are related to 12th class and 11th class, dear students. Okay, thank you for your support. Those who are watching first time, please like and share. Thank you. Jai Hind, all of you. Exam side mathematics 500.